back to our podcast. I'm Raya, your host for today. So, thank you for joining us. Today, we are going to talk about artificial intelligence or AI. We are living in a world where technology is developing faster than ever before. Every day, technology help us communicate, learn, work, and solve problems more easily. AI has become an important part of our daily lives. We use it in smartphones, social media, navigation apps, and many other digital services. AI helps make our activities faster, easier, and more efficient. In this podcast, we will discuss how AI affects our daily life and why it has become such an important technology. Let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm Naila. Thank you for inviting me. You're welcome, Naila. Today we're talking about artificial intelligence or AI. It's become a big part of our daily life. So, what do you think about AI? I think AI is technology that help computers do things that normally need human intelligence, like answer questions, translating language, or giving suggestion.
Just a game, just a night, just a drink in our hands. But then you found that box, said let's take a chance.
So that's a great explanation. Do you use AI often? Yes, I do. I use AI to help me study, practice English, and get ideas for my assignments. Same here. Sometimes I use AI to summarize long articles or explain difficult topics. It's really helpful because it saves time and makes learning easier. That's true, but do you think using AI too much is a problem? Yes, sometimes if people only copy answer from AI, they won't learn or think for themselves. I agree. AI should help us learn, not do everything for us. Exactly. We should always check the information because AI can make mistakes.
Just a game.
That's a good point. So, do you think AI will replace humans in the future? I I don't think so. AI is smart, but people have creativity, emotion, and experience. I think AI will have people, not replace them. I agree with you. So if we use AI wisely, it can make our lives easier and more productive, right? Yes. Yes, AI is a useful tool, but we should use it responsible.
Just a game, just a night, just a drink in our hands.
Well, that's all for today's podcast. Thank you for joining us, Naila. Yeah, thank you for inviting me, Raya. I really enjoy our conversation.
Oh my god! Wow!
So, bye-bye. Bye. Yeah. I use the internet every day, every time. Too much time on social media or online games. Not everything on the internet is correct. Hello everyone. everyone, welcome back to our podcast. I'm Naila and I'm so happy to be your host for today. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope all of you are doing well and having a wonderful day. Whether you are listening while studying, relaxing at home, or on your way to campus or work, we are really glad to have you here. Before we start, I just want to say that I'm very excited about today's episode because we are going to talk about something that has become an important part of our everyday lives. In fact, most of us probably use it from the moment we wake up until we go to bed. It helps us stay connected with other people, find information in just a few seconds, learn new skill, watch our favorite videos, listen to music, and even complete our school or university assignment. Yes, today topic is the internet. Yep, of course, I won't be talking about it alone. I have a special guest join me today. She has some interesting opinion and experience to share, and I'm sure our conversation will be enjoyable and meaningful. So, without keeping you waiting any longer, that uh, let's give a warm welcome to our special guest, Raya. Hi everyone, I'm Raya. Thank you for inviting me, Naila. You're welcome, Raya. Today we're going to talk about internet. It's something we use almost every day. That's true. I use the internet every day, every time for school, for college, social media, and maybe watching video. Me too. In your opinion, what is the biggest benefit of the internet? I think the biggest benefit is that we can find information very quickly. Like we can learn almost anything online. Yes, I agree. The internet also help us communicate with people. We can send message, make video calls, and communicate with our friends and our family. Yes, especially when our friends or our family like far away, it makes communication much easier. Like we can call them and video call. Do you think students use the internet in a good way? Most of the time, yes. We use it to do homework, join online class, and look for learning materials. But sometimes students spend too much time on social media or online games, maybe. That's true. We need to manage our time and use the internet wisely. I also think it's important to be careful online. We shouldn't share our personal information with strangers. Like we should keep our information, our secrets. Yes, good point. Internet safety is very important. We should also check if the information we read is true before we believe it. Exactly. Not everything on the internet is correct. So, let's just say the internet is more helpful than harmful. Yes, I will if we use it responsibly. The internet is a great tool for learning, communication, and entertainment. I completely agree. The internet has changed our lives in many positive ways, but we should always use it wisely. Yes, that's right, Nine. Well, that's the end of today podcast. Thank you for joining me, Raya. Thank you for having me. It was great talking with you. And thank you to everyone for listening. See you in next hour podcast. Bye bye.